There's no hair on your arms.
You want to find out what's in the box?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Dip Dizzy Whistle. I'm confident that this is from you.
You think there's a note in there?
I don't. I can't imagine that there's a note in here. I gotta tell you, what I'm really concerned with is if this is something that's going to go off when it gets opened, do I want to be the one opening it? But if it's not
Not
do I
only
want
that,
you to open it
so
and
I
be
really-
in possession of it?
No, I really want this to be in my house.
Yeah, whatever this is, there's a decent likelihood that it's illegal. All right, well, it's the Ryobi. We'll see you guys next episode. Have a great night. Not gonna work? Oh, shit. Hey, there's a note. It says, stop being a chicken shit. Cowboy up. Number 9ers want to see this. Feel like that's directed at me, Tom.
What is it? Let's see what's in the box, Pat.
Well, this is some decent sized staples, JT21 staples, 1/4 inch, 6 millimeter staples, and a delivery mechanism, if you will.
Oof. I can't believe
It sounds bad. My pants are gonna get stained. That was stupid.
It wasn't even on the skin. It was like, get the fuck out of here. Don't play with me. Oh, that's in there.
That is in there. Can we, can you bring the camera closer? I'll bring my leg closer. It's in there. I can't see it. What the fuck? Oh, there you go. There is a staple. And there's blood.
Blood all over my shit, bro.